Now, ano naman tayo? Skin parasites of cattle. So, this is mange in cattle. So, yung mange, yung pwede mag-cause niyan is yung mga mites under Sarcoptes, Demodex, Sauroptes, and Coreoptes na species. So, this is mange, not mangge. Signs, alopecia or yung pagkawala ng hair. So, ganito. Thickening of skin. So, pumapangit yung skin kapag infected ng mite. And pruritus or yung pangangati. Actually, pag nasa field ka na, it doesn't really matter if it's caused by Sarcoptes or Demodex. The important thing is, pag alam mo yung sign, so you'll know the treatment. Kasi pareho din naman sila ng treatment. So, by the way, itong Sarcoptes and Demodex ay mga microscopic. This picture is actually Sarcoptes scabiei. Yung Demodex, kamag-anak din ito, microscopic din, pero medyo iba lang yung shape. So, transmission, direct contact, kapag merong isa infected and dumikit sa iba, yung iba naman is nahahawaan. Now, for the treatment, pwede ka gumamit ng ivermectin or doramectin. So, I hope you can still remember yung dalawa. So, ito, subcutaneous injection. Ito, pwede ay intramuscular or subcutaneous injection. So, yung treatment protocol para sa kanila is dapat ganito. Halimbawa, ito yung patient mo. Day 0, halimbawa, January 1. Kasi yung first dose mo, that's considered as day 0. So, for example, kung anong day ka na lang siguro nabigay, say for example, January 1. So, that one will be considered as day 0. So, bigay ka, then you count 14 days, bigay ka ulit, then you count further hanggang umabot ka ng day 28. So, that's your third dose. You inject again. By the way, meron ding available ng mga oral na ivermectin. May nakita ako in combination with albendazole. So, bakit? Okay, back to the treatment protocol. Bakit ganito? Kasi yung sa day 0, yung sa first dose mo, ang mamamatay lang is yung mga adult, yung mga ganito. However, yung nasa egg, that one will survive because it is protected by a shell. So, hindi yan sila mamatay. So, you give roughly mga 14 days para mag-hatch yun sila. Then, pagbigay mo ng second dose, mamamatay na ulit yung mga nag-hatch. And bakit mayroon pang day 28? Because meron pa rin talagang iba na medyo late mag-hatch. So, para panigurado. Ang nangyayari kapag isang beses ka lang nagbigay, pabalik-balik lang din yung nangyayari because yung sa first dose mo or yung sa day 0 mo, patay yung adult, but meron pa namang next generation na mabubuhay. So, giving the animal with just one dose, hindi siya ganun effective. So, ganito. Follow this protocol, day 0, day 14, day 28. So, this is good treatment protocol against mange in cattle. Actually, sa sheep and goat, same principle lang naman din ng ma-apply. Sorry, hindi ko nalagay dito in goat and sheep. So, basta ganun, kapag nangangati sila and nagkakaroon ng alopecia, most likely the problem is ganito, microscopic parasite. So, you give ivermectin or doramectin via injection. Or kung meron kang oral, pwede rin oral. Meron na iba, patak-patak na lang sa skin. But if you're dealing with large animals, it would be easier for you to use injectable.